The VRLU team is so fun and kind and very patient.
Extremely.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you guys are great, and I don't know, thank you so much for this experience.
Yeah, working with the VRLU team, best experience in the world. I would say if someone has the opportunity to have really some meaningful content that's out there, they would be the ones to contact, because it's not just about creating the content or documenting the content, but just the overall experience and professionalism. Something that you're just not going to get every day. Everyone's on the same page, and there's just a great effort to communicate, even if we don't communicate right back right away. But it's comforting though that someone's like knowing that hey, these people are on top of it, and this is going to happen. And so, and I would say the other thing that really sticks out for me is having a group of people when we have athletes together, and the team is always upbeat, ready to go. They're not afraid to be loud and say, hey, you know, what's up? Let's get going. Is everyone doing a great job, or is everyone, you know, enjoying themselves, or whatever it is. But that type of energy really, really helps, because a day can get really long unless someone's willing to just always be positive. But that's, again, it's infectious, and so yeah.
They're great and professional and very fun and kind. We couldn't have had a better experience.